Howdy again there, YouTube. This is part 2 of my Stug III build, RC build. And I built some shirts in, but it was not the right scale. It doesn't really fit. So I've been working on this slowly and steadily as other projects get done. This is kind of my reference picture here, so that's kind of what I'm going for. This one's got the notch back here and the square mantlet and then the long barrel. I'm not really sure. I guess I'm kind of forced to do the long barrel now, but I've got some different ideas on how I'm going to finish this off. So this is just roughly put together. I had a piece of aluminum here. It was a piece of like a tray, and I just beat it around here basically and attached it, and I built these sides. I glued it on, made the frame, cut out the hole. So in here I've gutted everything. I've just made room. I'm going to go ahead and just put a regular ESC and receiver. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with the Fly Sky just because it's inexpensive, and then I can change it in and out to different stuff. I can buy different receivers, etc. So all that's really on the bottom now is the cover. It doesn't really cover anything anymore. But that gives me plenty of room in here to put whatever I need. And so I left these studs on the back. I mean, just kind of the basic model building stuff. Now I have no RC experience other than like RTR stuff that I bought when I was a kid. So this is kind of going to be a learning process for me. So bear that in mind. I'm no expert, but I've got some model building experience, and I think I can pull this off. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the external surface yet, if I'm going to do fiberglass or if I'm going to use this as a mold to vacuum form some Lexan bodies. I could do that too. I have the knowledge, but I don't know that I need to go that far just for this one. I think maybe some just resin over the top will do. So I need to make this front slant part that's right here. Build something in there. There's just some detail, well, a lot of detail work. But next I'm going to build these side parts that come out at an angle right here. Those will be next. And I'll just start working on some of these panels because I got to build this back here. I still have to finish this. I'm just going to put a piece of wood and bend this around. I guess you don't really care about the details. You just want to see it finished. So I did find my controller for my other tank, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to go ahead and get the right stuff. I think maybe a stick controller might be better, but since I'm probably going to end up using it for something else, I think just like one of those 3-channel GT3 will be fine. So I have this. It's the ground-based one, of course, but I think I can modify it to work. Kind of similar setup here. The gun's missing, but it would sit right in here. So other than that, that's where I'm at. It's going to be a while. It's going to be as parts roll in and money gets available and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for tuning in again. Not really that far ahead, but definitely taking the shape. I've got the plan. I got the idea. I've got some not fitting things, but now I know what I need to do. So we'll keep rolling. Thanks for watching. See you next time.